This summer, all I want to do is relax. Okay, relax and maybe run. A bit. But mostly just relax. And run. Oh, and get back into swimming. That sounds nice. So relax, run, swim, and I want to dance again. I miss dancing. I'll relax, I'll run, I'll swim, I'll dance, and wait, I should take up rock climbing.
You okay?
I'm okay. Relax, go running, start swimming, learn dancing, take up climbing, and flip a massive tractor tire. Okay, relax, go running, start swimming, learn dancing, try climbing, flip tires, and hike to the top of a giant mountain. Okay, so this summer, I am going to relax, run fast, swim fast, boogie down, climb rocks, toss tires, hike mountains, and become an internationally recognized 9th-degree black belt grandmaster in Taekwondo. Wait, are you still relaxing?